today we are going on a little field trip to Oak Glen. It's like, I don't know how to describe it unless you've been there, but it's like a little valley in the mountains, and there's a lot of apple orchards and little farms, and we usually go every year to go pick apples. I think we're a little too late in the season for that, but it will still be cool. I'm hoping to see some fall colors because we don't have a lot of fall leaves where I live, and so this might be my only chance to see that this year. So anyway, Forrest is coming along. Okay, so we got all of our gear ready for today. We got his vest. It has some patch tabs, which just happen to be on it. Collar. It's stuck. Leash, water bowl. Collar. There's lots of treats in here. My own personal stuff, dog bags, ADA cards, all that. And then I have waters filled up, ready to go on the counter. There's Forrest. I did not put him in the crate. He put himself in the crate. He's just waiting patiently. Are you waiting patiently? Wag your tail, Forrest. Good boy. Oh. First person to try to pet Forrest. It was some little kid who was waiting in line, and we walked past and she reached right out and tried to pet him. I told her not to, but by then it was like too late. Moved out of the way because some dog was pulling his owner toward me and Forrest. And then as I moved away and I walked away and I came back, the same little kid came and tried to pet Forrest again. I'm like, seriously, I just told you not to pet him. Luckily, Forrest didn't really notice each time, so it wasn't a big deal, but like, it's not okay. Okay, so we're back now. I had a long day, lots of driving. Yeah, it was good. It was definitely very crowded. We weren't the only ones who had this plan. It was Veterans Day, so that's to be expected. What else? I was pretty shocked by how many dogs there were. Most of which were not very well behaved. They were like pulling at the end of their leads. But I kind of was surprised because I thought they're small apple farms, so I kind of just assumed they would have like no dog policies or something. Wasn't sure if service dogs would even be allowed because they are, you know, privately owned farms, but they were welcoming any dog, not just service dogs. So I was like, okay, that's fine by me. And Forrest did really good. He ignored the dogs for the most part. He definitely knew they were there, and there were a lot of them, some of which I had to get out of the way because some people just like want their dogs to come up and say hi, and I'm like, no, he's working and I don't let him say hi to other dogs because I don't know the other dog, and you know, all that. That's for a different talk. But anyway, we're gonna watch a movie and then I'm gonna take a shower, and tomorrow Forrest needs a bath because we went on a small little nature walk on one of the farms and he got very dusty and covered in dirt, so I would give him a bath tonight, but it's cold outside, so I don't want him to be like freezing, so we'll do it in the morning when it's warmer out. If you like this video, please poop that like button. It'd make my day, and if you want to watch more of my videos, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you next time.